A banking executive had said the Chinese market remains an attractive destination for global investors, including multinational financial institutions with a large footprint in Africa, given China's accelerated pace of reform and opening up. James Agen, Managing Principal of the Corporate and Investment Banking Division at Absa Bank Kenya PLC, said a vibrant Chinese economy has unlocked opportunities for global investors, including banks.
The whole opening up of the Chinese economy actually worked quite well for the global trade economy because there was now good export and import flows that kind of then grew the whole global trade volumes that took place after that.
Agen noted that China's reform and opening up has facilitated the uninterrupted flow of goods and services, while the country's indigenous companies have fostered global economic growth.
Now we are seeing instances where you're seeing actually very big Chinese brands, Chinese companies actually playing very pivotal roles in the global economy.